When creating an online video course, each module or lesson of the course will be organized and built onto separate web pages. You will learn about how to do this later on in this module. Firstly, a page group will be created to store all the course pages inside of. To do this, click on the pages icon and then select the Add New button. Inside of the Add New window, click on Page Group. Inside of the Add New Group window, enter a name for your course page group. Then click on the Add button. Under the Pages menu, the new page group will then be displayed. Your course pages will all be stored inside of this page group and can then be added to a membership group where only members will be allowed access to the course pages. You will learn about how to set this up later in this module.